how to add music in Clipchamp. So I'm just gonna create a new project and let's just do a random video so I can add music to it. So what you want to do is go to import media, and you want to make sure that the audio file that you want to import is either MP3, WAV, or an OGG file. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go here, and here as you can see I have prepared some MP3 files. So let's just add this song right here, for example, and let's add it like that. So let's see how this sounds. And there you go. That's how to add music in Clipchamp. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.